Mia? Are you awake? Can I come in? Mom, what time is it? It's 7 o'clock. May I come in, sweetheart? Yes, come in, but I'm still sleepy. Good morning, my little sunshine. Time to wake up. Good morning, Mom. Do I have to get up now? Yes, baby. It's Monday. You have school today. But I'm so tired. Can I sleep for 10 more minutes? No, Mia. You need to get ready. Your teacher is waiting for you. I don't want to go to school today. I want to stay with you. I know, sweetheart. But school is fun. You can see your friends there. What friends? Emma and Sarah. They always play with you at lunchtime. Oh, yes. Emma has new crayons. She said I can use them. See? That's nice. Now please get out of bed. Okay, Mom, but I'm still very sleepy. I made your favorite breakfast, pancakes with honey. Really? You made pancakes for me? Yes, I did. They are warm and delicious. But first, you must get up. All right. I'm getting up now. Good girl. Now go to the bathroom and wash your face. Can you help me brush my teeth? Of course. I always help you. Come on. My toothbrush is blue, right? Yes, the blue one is yours. The red one is mine. I like my blue toothbrush. It has a little star on it. That's right. Now brush your teeth slowly, up and down. Like this, Mom? Perfect. Now rinse your mouth with water. The water is cold. I like warm water better. Cold water is better for your teeth. Now, let's comb your hair. Can you make 2 braids today? Yes, I can. Sit here on the chair. Will you use my pink hair ties? Of course. Pink is your favorite color. Yes, pink is beautiful, like flowers. There, your braids look very pretty. Now, let's go eat breakfast. I'm hungry now. My tummy is making noise. I can hear it. The pancakes are on the table. They smell so good. Can I have orange juice too? Yes, you can. But drink your milk first. Milk is good for you. I know. Milk makes my bones strong. That's right. You're a smart girl. These pancakes are delicious, Mom. Thank you. You're welcome, sweetheart. Eat slowly. How much time do we have? 20 minutes. Then we must go to the car. Can I take my teddy bear to school? Not today, Mia. Teddy bears stay at home. But I want him with me. He will wait for you here. He will be happy to see you after school. Okay, I will tell him goodbye. That's a good idea. Now, finish your breakfast. I'm almost done. Just 2 more bites. Good. I'll get your school bag ready. Is my homework inside? Yes, I put it there last night, and your lunchbox too. What's for lunch today? A sandwich, an apple, and some cookies. Chocolate chip cookies? Yes, your favorite ones. Yay! I love school lunch now. I'm glad. Now go brush your teeth again. Then we can go. Do I need my jacket? Yes, it's a little cold outside today. The blue jacket or the red one? The blue one. It matches your school uniform. Okay, Mom, I'm ready now. Perfect. You look beautiful. Let's go to school. I love you, Mom. I love you too, Mia. Have a wonderful day at school. See you after school. See you later, sweetheart. Be good and listen to your teacher. Hi, Sarah. Good morning.
Good morning, Mia. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. Are you ready for school?
Yes, I am, but I'm a little nervous.
Why are you nervous?
We have a math test today. I don't like math.
Oh no, I forgot about the test. Is it difficult?
I think so. Numbers are hard for me.
Don't worry, I can help you. Math is my favorite subject.
Really? You like math?
Yes, I do. It's fun for me. What subjects do you like?
I love art class. Drawing and painting are easy for me.
That's great. I'm not good at art. My pictures look funny.
That's okay. Everyone is good at different things.
You're right. What classes do we have today?
Let me check my schedule. We have math first, then English. After English, we have science with Mr. Johnson. I like Mr. Johnson. He's a nice teacher. He explains things well.
Yes, he is. Science is interesting. We learn about animals and plants.
Today, we will learn about butterflies. I saw it in our book.
Butterflies are beautiful. What do we have after science?
Art class with Miss Green. That's my favorite time of the day.
Lucky you. What will you draw today?
I want to draw my family, my mom, dad, and my little brother.
That sounds nice. Did you do your homework yesterday?
Yes, I did, but the English homework was hard. Which part was difficult? Writing sentences? I don't know many words yet.
My mom helps me with English homework. You can ask your parents too.
Good idea. What will you do after school today?
I will go home and play with my dog. His name is Charlie.
That's fun. I will visit my grandmother. She makes delicious cookies.
Yummy. Can you bring some cookies tomorrow?
Maybe, if my grandma makes extra ones.
Look, the bell is ringing. Time for class.
Let's go to our classroom. Good luck with the math test.
Thank you. Good luck to you too.
See you at lunchtime.
Yes, see you later. Mom, I'm home. Welcome home, sweetheart. How was your day at school? It was good, but I'm very tired now. Come here and give me a hug. I missed you today. I missed you too, Mom. What's for dinner? I made your favorite, spaghetti with tomato sauce. Yummy! I love spaghetti. Can we eat now? Of course. But first, wash your hands and sit at the table. Okay. The food smells so good. Thank you, baby. Tell me about your day. What did you learn? We learned about butterflies in science class. They are so beautiful. That sounds interesting. What else did you do? We had a math test. It was a little difficult. Did you do well on the test? I think so. Sarah helped me study yesterday. Sarah is a good friend. I'm proud of you for studying hard. Thank you, Mom. This spaghetti is delicious. I'm glad you like it. Eat slowly and drink your milk. Can I have some more sauce, please? Sure, here you go. Do you have homework today? Yes, I have English homework, but it's easy, just reading. Good. You can do it after dinner. What book are you reading? It's about a little cat. The cat goes on adventures. That sounds fun. I love stories about animals. Me too. Mom, can we watch a movie tonight? That's a great idea. What movie do you want to watch? Can we watch a cartoon? Something funny? Of course. How about the movie with the talking fish? Yes, I love that movie. The fish is so funny. Perfect. First, finish your dinner, then do your homework. And then we can watch the movie together? Yes, we can, with popcorn and juice. This is the best day ever. I love spending time with you. I love spending time with you too, my little angel. I'm finished eating. Can I start my homework now? Yes. Go to your room and read your book. I'll clean the dishes. How long should I read? Read for 20 minutes, then come back here. Okay, Mom. See you in 20 minutes. Take your time, sweetheart. I'll prepare the popcorn. Mom, I'm back. I finished reading the story. That was quick. Did you like the story? Yes. The little cat found a new friend. It was very sweet. Wonderful. Now, let's watch our movie. Come sit next to me. The sofa is so comfortable. Can I put my head on your shoulder? Of course, baby. Here's your popcorn and apple juice. Thank you. Look, the movie is starting. The fish is so colorful. Look at those big eyes. He's trying to swim fast, but he's too small. You're right, he's very funny. Look, now he's talking to the crab. The crab has a silly voice. This movie always makes me laugh. I'm happy you're laughing. Your smile makes me happy too. I love you, Mom. Thank you for this nice evening. I love you too, Mia. Sweet dreams when the movie ends. Can we do this again tomorrow? We'll see, sweetheart. Now watch the movie.